unboxing. I just got this in today. It's Arrow's Horror Express, starring Peter Christian, Christopher Lee, and Telly Savalas. This is one of my favorite horror movies from back in the day. I actually saw this when I was about 8, back on TV, and it scared the crap out of me back then. So it's always held a special place in my heart. Before I do the unboxing, I just want to show you my collection of a Horror Express. This is the old image DVD, widescreen. It has these clip-on cases, and pretty much flips over. Pretty much tells you everything about the movie. I'm sure some of you have this. Next up is Severance Blu-Ray DVD combo. Let's see what. Nice. I always thought the image quality was better in this one. Maybe that's just me. And I purchased the German release, media book, back then. Can't read German, but I love the illustrations and pictures in this. You can see. So let's get the unboxing going here. This is a brand new 2K transfer. Interview with the director, trailer. I think there's only English subtitles in this one. I'm already hearing good things about the transfer, so front, nice artwork. The back, if you want to read it. Nice. There's a booklet, advertisement card, new RoboCop coming out. Nice booklet. New artwork. The back. Nice. Monster that appears in the movie. Telly Savalas. Peter Christian. Really beautiful booklet. Not a lot of text in it, but nice stock paper. Let's show the disc. Nice. Arrow never disappoints. Show the other side of the insert. The original poster. Original artwork. And that's the back. Really a nice release. Can't wait to check it out. If you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.